Okay. You know what, guys? How did I reconcile my former enemies? Like me, I reconcile the time after I reconcile Best Pills, aka Arnel Guerrera Castillo, Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher May also, even who I reconcile my former enemies. Oh, I also reconcile with them. Me, I reconcile um Luis Cabales, and even I reconcile during my time. So let's say for me, guys, Ate Hannah was right. Nobody makes enemies. Because I say to Paulo Cruzada, here is my question why did you bully Teacher Marvel? If you bully her, you have to apologize to her sincerely. And Paulo Cruzada, I know we know each other when we are time in CDIFI. I'm sorry for my accusations, even my profanity in my YouTube blog when I accuse Paulo Cruzada and I call him a PI word because I don't want to curse anyone in YouTube because I know Paula Nunez will watch that too because it's rated SPG. Eh, and like I said before, I don't want to say a bad word. You know, Paulo Cruzada. Don't call Teacher Marvel a bobo. Teacher Marvel is not stupid because she is married to John Archo Matthew Bernal. Don't you remember Paulo Cruzada, me and Buddy Castro, Yvette, Crystal Dulce, Jurado, Jens Manaid, your friend, even all of us, even Stefan Pimentel, Ralph Guevara, and Eris Clemente, who was a substitute of Pew when he was there in CDIFI. And I know, like I said before, we know Teacher Marvel, Alexis Percala knows Teacher Marvel, Kathleen Canete, you should not harass Teacher Marvel. Paulo Cruzada, it is really hurt when you bully Teacher Marvel. Oh, during the time, Teacher Marvel, comment me in Instagram, instead you post about Donald Trump. It's better, it's about you should post your Instagram by yourself while you're in what's that in the place in Shinjuku, in Japan, in Tokyo, in Shinjuku Gyoen. That is better you take a picture. Teacher Marvel would comment in my Instagram. You know Paulo Cruzada, don't comment at Teacher Marvel, bobo. Wag ganon. Wag ganon yan si Teacher Marvel. Paulo Cruzada, you will get regret of your consequence. And Teacher Marvel will never forgive you. Even that her husband, John Archu Matthew Bernal, he will not forgive you. Oh, how come you say bobo and you call them hayupak sa bayan? You remember that, Paulo Cruzada. Paulo Cruzada, Shania Kiana had reported you to your parents because for what your attitude look like. Don't do that to Teacher Marvel. I never want to harass Teacher May o Tiburcio. I don't want to harass Teacher Marisa. Teacher May Tiburcio, she's not teaching there in CDIFI. I never harass her. Even Teacher Marisa, who's currently teaching there in CDIFI, I don't want to harass her also. I don't want to harass. That time in the previously, I harassed Teacher Vincent Ramos. I harassed Teacher Gia Malana, I apologize to them sincerely. Oh, even just like what happened that time, I bullied Teacher Jessa Fernandez Cuevas, that was a friend of Paula Nunez. I bullied her. I harassed her. I'm the one who made the fake account of Mom Teacher Jessa Fernandez. But I apologize to Teacher Jessa Fernandez sincerely. Paulo Cruzada, this is hard to say, ha. Do not bully Teacher Marbil. Wag ganon. Because I know this is really hurt. If someone who bullied you or bully someone, that is a cyberbullying. Luis Cabales doesn't like your attitude, Paulo Cruzada, because you are evil. You and Jordan Bunagan are evil. Both of you are evil. It is nice, Paulo Cruzada, to bully Teacher Marbil. It's not good.